Okay, so today is finally the day for the Freek spicy noodles. I'll be back in a bit. Just to show you that I did add the whole packet of sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna stir fry. And I added the whole sachet of the spices, I don't know what it is as well. So here's a finished product. Pray for me please, I'm gonna try it. So, as I always say, it's all in the taste, but I think this might not be that nice. Okay, let me just pick it up. Alright, here goes. It burns. It's quite strong. But it actually got a nice taste. It's a messy thing to eat, and I don't have chopsticks. It's actually very nice. It really is very spicy, but not as spicy as that some people say, but it really is. I won't say everybody can eat this because it burns like hell, to be honest, but it has a nice taste also. No, it got the better of me, I must admit. My nose is running everything, so I'm rather going to leave this till later. But sorry, but it really is very nice. So we are not anytime soon again. Okay guys, love you all very much. Till next time.